Hello and welcome to another one of our Parweld TVs. Again, we're here with the XTT 315Di and we're going to show you, scrolling through the main program, how to get to spot and stitch welding. So, back to our main TIG menu on the front panel. I'm going to select high frequency TIG, gas or water cooled. I'm going to go for gas cooled. I'm going to go for DC current. Now you'll see the torch trigger 2T, 4T and spot welding is highlighted there. So I'm going to go to spot weld with no pulsing, and it makes the onto the welding screen there. Now at this stage you can change your amperage for your spot and stitch welds. So if you want to make that change, select in red what you want to change, the main welding current for example. 60 amps there, starts to flash red and green. We're going to change that to 100. Happy with that change, select it, stops as red. Then go over to the advanced menu. Go to advanced menu and you'll see the SW spot welding time selected there. So there you can play around with the stitch spot welding timer there. So with that time on red, you can make the change for how long you want your spot weld to be. Then once you're happy with it, bring it back to the white color and that's done. And you can go back to the main back menu there, goes back to the main welding screen. At the same time, you can change over to switch. So back to the main menu, go over to, scroll down to switch. We're going to activate it because it's off at the moment. So press it, let it go on and it comes up to white. Then at the same time, go over to dwell time. And then for your stitch welding times, you select your time. Select your time, then bring it back up into the white and scroll back out to back, press back and you're back to the main welding screen. Let's see what it looks like in welding.